Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about the CMT speeding explanation.
Yeah, we have like an update on this. So we did a segment maybe a month ago. So I was getting a lot of these emails, Chris, from drivers saying that Uber sending me speeding warnings, but I'm not speeding. Okay, so we did a segment, and CMT watched that segment, and they came back to us. They said, no, this is not coming from us. There are many other reasons for that could be happening. We don't ding drivers unless certain things happen under CMT. So we're going to go through that quickly, do a segment. So CMT, so first of all, CMT says that the warnings you're getting are not from CMT. You're getting it from Uber, and it may be due to the fact that you may have that thing toggled on to show you your speed, right? And I have it toggled on, actually. Like, it picks up the speed limit, but a lot of drivers were telling me, and I asked this to CMT directly. A lot of people were telling me, like, oh, there's a lot of bridges, and CMT's database is not picking up the correct posted speed limits, and they're dinging me for speeding. Not so. So now pay attention, folks, because I'm going to read this once and one only. CMT uses contextual speeding to identify speeding events versus posted speed limits. The posted speed limits are in the Uber app. Like when you're driving, there's a little icon on the lower left-hand corner. If you speed up too much, it goes from black to red. That means you're speeding. So again, I'm going to read this again, and we're going to go a little bit in detail here. CMT uses contextual speeding to identify speeding events versus posted speed limits. Could we possibly make an explainer video on this, which we're doing it right now? Here's a definition of CMT's contextual speeding. Listen up. A speeding event will be recorded only when two conditions are met simultaneously. A, you drive faster than 85% of drivers on a road segment based on historical speed data. And B, your speed is higher than the posted speed limit on a road segment by a threshold of 9 miles per hour or more for at least 5 seconds. So CMT is, working with Uber. They're getting all this data from your phone. The threshold increases to 12 miles an hour when the posted speed limit is 55 miles or higher. Contextual speeding, folks. This is how speeding is defined in Uber's help page. Speeding. This behavior is triggered when your vehicle is moving faster than other vehicles typically move at your current location. So they have the history of traffic flow of traffic data, and if you're above that, that's when Uber dings you. Drivers might be conflating the speed limit alert feature that is controlled by Uber with CMT speeding detection with CMT driving insights. The good thing is that the Uber speeding alert is optional and drivers have control over it via toggle in the app. I agree. So we go to the next one. This is what I received from CMT. Posted speed limits aren't always reliable for measuring speed. Doesn't reflect flow of traffic. Can be wrong up to 10% of the time. And this is what a lot of drivers were telling me. But now that it's contextual speed, okay, CMT uses contextual speed in Uber driving insights, which is in your app now. Speed relative to the flow of traffic. What qualifies as speeding? I read that. Driving faster than 85% of drivers on a road segment based on historical data, and driving 9+ miles over the posted limit for more than 5 seconds, or 12 miles if it's 55 miles or more. And on the next screenshot, here's an example. Unlike map speeding limits, which can be outdated, contextual speed captures the dynamics drivers actually face on a road. So contextual speed, again, is flow of traffic. If you're going faster than that for a certain amount of time, you're going to get dinged. Posted speed limit, and this is on the freeway. The car on the left, as you guys can see on the screenshot, is going 75 miles. That car is speeding because posted speed limit is 55. Flow of traffic is 65. And car 2 is going 63 miles an hour, not speeding. So this hopefully will clarify all of that for you guys. And this is actually Daniel.
You know what I heard right there?
What'd you hear?
CMT's throwing Uber under the bus.
Well,
It ain't our fault. It's Uber's fault for putting that out there.
No, my understanding was that CMT, from all the driver emails I had received, saying that, especially on bridges and things, CMT's database is old, but CMT doesn't even use posted speed limits when it comes to these situations. They use contextual speeding. So I'm still waiting to be able to opt out of CMT. Daniel, I would like you to send me an email, which I will send, because now that I'm dealing with CMT as well, I would like to send one of the top folks at CMT your request, and let's see what they come up with, because I don't have your answer. Cambridge Telematics says that all of their programs are supposed to be voluntary. I guess Uber can get companies to turn their back on their values. Look, I don't want to say anything good or bad about any of this. All I'm saying is I don't want to get caught in the middle, number one. Number two, send me an email explaining yourself. I know you have done it before, but I don't want to dig it. Send me an email. I will send it to some top person at CMT, and they will get in touch with you if you're allowed to opt out or not. Okay, there you go, Lelius. Lelius says, I get the speeding events all the time, but my CMT score is 97. There you go. Okay, cool.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.